there in the horizon, that island right there that we're focused on, that's where our hotel is. So that's where we're staying. And we catch a quick little shuttle, and it comes right down there. Right there. Do you see where it says San Marco with the blue sign right down there? In fact, there's a boat sitting there, so we could catch it right now if we wanted to. It runs every half hour. Right up to there where we're actually staying. These are the canals of Venice. You see all the gondola rides are departing right there. So Town Square.